Damn, the things that you see in China. Can you imagine? So while we wait for the DD, well, we're not waiting because we haven't reached us yet, but while we're on our way to get the DD, there's a few requirements when in China when going outside, based on the fact that Corona exists. So one of the things is that when you're going in a transportation, you should wear a mask, and when entering the mall, you should also wear a mask. It is not mandatory to wear a mask in the DD, but I think it is mandatory. Yeah, it's definitely mandatory to wear a mask when going inside of the mall. After entering the mall, however, you can take off your mask here, like in my province. Well, in my province, because no, well, in Pingxiang, let me say that, because it's where I live, you can remove your mask when you have entered the mall, but you have to have a mask to enter the mall, but you don't have to keep it on. Makes no sense, but that's what happens here. There's no cases here, so I guess that is why things are happening that way. However, it could be different in different provinces, because places that my friends are, they have to, it's mandatory for them to wear their mask no matter what or where. But here, as I stated, we are a low risk area, so it's not that, it's a little bit more flexible. Ni hao. The security guard, he's always looking at me and smiling. Anyways, we'll talk when the DD arrives. I think, is it this? No, it's not. We'll talk when the DD arrives. I think he's calling. He's calling, but I can't. I will just wait. So we are in the Watson, and I'm looking at the Centrum. I came here to buy Centrum. I'm looking at the one I want, because they have so many different ones. It's in Chinese. So to translate stuff here, I use this app called vday Translate. So it looks like this, and I can take a picture. So I go to camera, and I can take a picture of the item, and it translates it into English. I think this is the multivitamin, so this is the one I want, because they also have this one that says something vitamin C, because the orange is on it, so you know it's vitamin C. I wanted to ensure that, oh my leg, this one was the multivitamin, suitable for adults. So I think this is the one I found, and it is for 99 yuan, I believe, because we have two of them. We have the small one and I have the big one. So I think that the big one is for 99 and the small one is for 51. So let's go.
I see the light inside you, brighter than the skies. Hold on, just let us escape and fly away tonight. We have the world in our sight, and I know together we'll be alright.
Alright, so in Watson, you can get most of the like the American or European or let us say the foreign products here, but it's limited. But you still can get them here. Like you have L'Oreal and stuff and other things. Right. Reaching.
不用ถ่าย没有啊？
No. 没有。
99啊，现在不需要了哈。要买个袋子吗？
对。对。She's asking me if I want bag. She was asking me first if I had a subscription with Watson, which I don't. So I said no, which is no. And then I pay with my phone, but I can't show you my QR code because you can steal it. Here she. So that was it. I think I'm hungry and I want to go to McDonald's to get something to eat, but I shouldn't. The stresses of being alive. Let us see. I want to go to McDonald's. I'm going to go to McDonald's. I'm hungry, and then what I'm cooking, it's going to take long to cook because I'm cooking oxtail, and if you know anything about oxtail, it's going to take long because I don't have a pressure cooker. Alright, so when I enter back in, I'll show you, because at every point there's a security. So this is the exit to go to the McDonald's, and the McDonald's is right there. So I'm going to go to the McDonald's to get something to eat. This door is locked, so I have to go to the other one. So I'm going to get something to eat at the McDonald's, and then I can go to the supermarket. But I'm not going to eat here, I'm going to eat at home because, yeah, it just makes sense. I haven't washed my hands on like that, you know? So here we have convenience for me, so I can just English and make my life easier. Take out, and then I can look for a sandwich. Like I want a sandwich thingy, so I want what do I want to eat? I want something. I think I can get that. I want fries and then the Coca-Cola. Medium because I'm not going to drink it. And then I can customize my biggie so I can see what is in it. Now I have cheese, lettuce, pickle. I need all that. I don't want any. And then I can add it. And I think I want some wings. So add it to the cart. And then my order is complete. So this is what I ordered, right? So that. So I proceed to check out and choose how I'm going to pay. And I'm going to use my phone because I'm going to use WeChat. Hold on. So I'm going to use the same money thing and then put it here. Okay. So it did that and it told me the amount of money. And then my receipt comes out of here. So now all I have to do is sit. So now all I have to do is sit and wait for my order to be completed. And then I can go and go to the supermarket. I already have my list of things that I want from the supermarket in my phone. So that is fine. It's just a few things like onions and I'm going to try to get fish today. I haven't eaten fish in a while. I really feel better. But the fish here is so ugly. I hate Chinese fish. It's so hot. Oh, I can't put you guys here. It's so hot. It's really hot. Especially because we have the camera here. So I'm in the supermarket. I've got the onion and the sweet pepper. I need one tomato because I think I'm going to make a salad today. So I just need one tomato. Voila. Let's see if they have any preferences. Would I let it stand look dry? I don't know if you can see. I guess we're going. Yes, we're just going to eat tomatoes because I ain't buying that. Tell them, baby, I don't want that. Alright, so I'm in the BD now, heading home. I'm so hungry. I'm tired and hot. Today is really hot. If I knew it was this hot, I would have just worn a t-shirt, to be honest. And people out here in sweater and hoodie and all of that. And the day is cold. And it's not. Like, it really isn't. But look at the decoration they have up for New Year's. So this is the New Year's decoration. Well, part of it. I doubt they finished. They haven't finished as yet. But this is up for New Year's. Chinese New Year's, that is. I think they're going to have some sort of concert here for the New Year's as they normally do, but I won't be going. It makes no sense for me to go because one, I don't speak Chinese, two, everybody will be looking at me, and three, corona, so why am I going to be in crowd? Like, why would I put myself in that situation? Just for a vlog? No. I won't. I really need a little oxygen. I'm hot board. So anyways, I'll get back to you guys when I get home. I'm gonna take my work cook. Immediately after getting home as I thought I would. That is not gonna work. I'm too tired. I think it's hungry. And I want to remove my wig also. It's time. Like, I don't know if you guys can see that it's lifting, but I've been trying to lift it up. Here's the decoration. Yeah. So that's the decoration for that part. for that mall. I think each mall will have their own decoration. Oh, there's one over there too. That one says 2021. Yeah, I'm so tired. So if my energy looks and whatever low, it's because I'm hungry. I'm tired. But I haven't reached hungry stage yet. I'm just hungry right now. Okay, bye bye. See you guys later. Selfie. Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Happy Valentine's Day, even though when you see this it will be gone. But Amoy and I are going out, and as per usual I'm listening to music. So it's Valentine's Day, and since we don't got no Valentines with us, just let us go out and have fun. So that's what we're gonna do. Oh, it's so bright. So that's what we're gonna do. This is so nice. Right here is the spot to be. Look at that. Let me do my. Yeah. It's supposed to be 3 minutes away. Run that way, go right? Run that way, go right? Sir, just turn up in the middle of the road. Alright, why is he doing that? Well, to the mall. However, we're going to the park side of the mall to get some pictures, hopefully, of the New Year's decoration that they placed up for New Year's, because in China they deal with lunar New Year's, not January 1st New Year's. So they did some decoration for that. So we're going to look at it and take pictures there, and I'll show you that also.
What's the ox?
finished taking our pictures. They look great. So now we're going to go to our, or are we going to go to our famous, our favorite restaurant? Which one? The one. Oh, the one where you did buy the jerk chicken. Is it something like jerk chicken? Alright, so we might be going to a different restaurant today, which is really good that we're going somewhere new, somewhere different. Not somewhere new, but somewhere different. Nobody not even run a sell rolls or no. Today, they don't know, so today Valentine's Day. Like today's Valentine's Day, guys. Didn't you know? You should wear your red and white. You see couples.
As always.
Yeah, but you don't see nobody with no roses. Maybe they don't know that today is Valentine's Day, or they don't celebrate this Valentine's Day based on the fact it's their New Year's holiday. Maybe. What the little girl do? I do. Upstairs restaurant and bathroom there. The black card, I'm black card. I'm black card from the camera. Damn, the things that you see in China. Can you imagine? A little girl was just bending down, cooking, like taking a dump in the park. Oh my god. And I'm sure that it's her parents told her to do it there. Yeah, put bag there, fish dump on the bag. I guess they don't want to go in the mall to do it, so little girl just have to do it here, so but that's bad though. So we need to get our mask on to go into the mall. Then I take down the Christmas tree. The Christmas tree is still up from Christmas. Focus. Yeah. Huh? So we'll not take temperature no more? Are you excited there? What are you starting there? Oh. Oh, it looks so cute here. This lighting is so nice. I've been locks. No, understand. He must not Chinese. This is not by yourself? This is the place where Ellen didn't go. Are you yourself? Huh? Oh. We're trying to find the restaurant that I want wanted to go to, but we can't find it, so we're looking. People! Too much people! Oh my god. Dora, Dora, Dora! The Explorer! Dora! Where are we going? Where are we going? To do what? I hear so, look here so. Some rice also. Oh, I don't know which one. And I've never been. It look like the steakhouse? Oh. It would be nice going to a different restaurant. But we can't find a restaurant that Amor wants to go to. Are you sure it's on the top and not downstairs? I don't know. I've never been, so I can't say if it's up here or not. Or we can do another search, we can do another look around, and then we can stop at the steakhouse if we don't find it. But there's a seafood place. What kind of step? Oh, it was close to. Okay. We're still trying to figure it out. If we don't figure it out, we're going to the steakhouse. So I'll see you guys when we figure it out. So we're inside KFC, waiting on our meal. Fast food never fails. When everything else fails, fast food never fails. This place that our friend invited us to, but he didn't send us a location, he sent us directions. So I think this is going to be exploring day in China, walking around exploring, making my way downtown, walking around. And I need you. And does the building says the name Nina Cafe? Oh, and we got our KFC to go. I'm sure I eat my fries. So I'm calling this dude. I'll see if he'll answer. If he'll not answer, all we do I just go home. Or something, cause
Are you walking towards the river?
I don't know the location to the river. I'm walking towards it. So we crossed the road from Runda. Can you just send the location?
Stuck here. Here, I'll come out and step out onto the street, and then I should be able to see.
Send the location as well. Just send us your real location. So you just go into WeChat, go to location, and you can pin your real location so we can see where you are at. I feel like we made the wrong turn. We weren't supposed to go inside the intersection. Still waiting on him to send the location. He said we were supposed to be walking like we're heading to the river. I think so, yeah. That's what I told him, that we don't know. Like, people don't understand when we say, we don't walk, gone away now. Exactly. We don't walk anywhere at all. And we don't explore Pingjiang, to be honest. Okay guys, I will see you soon. I'm tired and hungry and grumpy. Good morning guys, how are you doing? So today is another day, a brand new day, and as you can see, I'm energetic today. Like today I'm going to another mall, excuse me, which is called on Pedestrian Street, to get my lashes done. Yeah, because I just feel like yesterday I was feeling down, and I don't know, I just felt like doing something for myself. And yeah, so I'm going to get my lashes done today. And then, because I didn't end up going to the supermarket yesterday because I didn't go bowling, I'm going to do that today as well. So I'm taking you guys along with me to go and do all of that. And today is a warm sunny day. Oh my god, it's like 23 degrees or 21 degrees out today, and I am loving all of it. It's so nice. Like, I'm so excited for today because it's a warm day and I'm just enjoying the sun. Like, yeah. The mall, and I'm looking for the place, but I don't remember where it is, to be honest. So we're just trying to find out where it is, and everybody's staring at me because I have a camera and then I'm black. Let me show you around. I think it's somewhere here, but I don't remember where. So let me try to figure it out. Hi guys, a big jump, right? I'm back home. Oh, my face looks so dry and sunburnt. Anyways, I'm back home, got my lashes done, as you can see. I don't know if I like them yet. It's always this way for me though. I don't like them until maybe 2-3 days after, when some of them fall out, because I don't like them. This might not be thick for some of y'all, but it is thick for me because I want this a more natural look, even though yeah. So anyways, I went to the supermarket and I got most of the items that I needed to get, except for the kale and the cinnamon, because my mom told me about this cinnamon and honey thing that I should do, so I was planning on doing it. And I didn't get any cinnamon. They had cinnamon stick but no cinnamon powder, so I probably have to buy it online. So I'm just about to shower because I was on the road and we don't want cocoa around here in my apartment. So, and then watch a movie or a series, depends. I want to watch this Judas the Messiah movie thingy, but I don't know if I want to watch it because racism and all. I kind of hate watching movies like that, even though it allows me to understand my history. Even though it allows me to understand my history a little bit more, I still don't like watching it because it makes me feel some type of way still, like especially with what's happening now and all. Today's just really beautiful. Let me show you outside. Maybe tomorrow we just go to the park by the school, because tomorrow is probably going to be the last day of the sun, because I checked the weather and it says that it's going to be raining all week except for tomorrow. So we might just go to the park tomorrow and hang out, carry a book, read something, just enjoy the little sun that we have left. And then it's back to school next week. Like my holiday, my winter holiday is coming to a close and I don't know how to feel about that. I really don't know, but yeah, I'll check back in with y'all later. Bye. When I go. Bye guys.